In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually get a marble slab in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, I've already used all of my marble slabs and collected all the marble from this cave, but what you're going to need to do is go into a cave and find some rocks that look like marble. Now, what you're going to need as well is some heat resistance when you go into these caves, because they are pretty hot, and you're going to want some torches as well. So you're going to create a stone breaker, and once you actually have the marble, you're just going to use the stone breaker to create the marble slab. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.